camper build.
We had a week off last week, sadly. The van needed a bit of work doing at the garage. It required a new drive shaft and CD joint. But that's all sorted now, and we're going to start episode 3, aren't we?
Yes.
During last week I did do a little bit on the van which I didn't record, just to try and pick up a bit of speed. We insulated the ceiling, put the battens in, and also ran the cables in the ceiling for the LED lights. So that's all sorted. We'll take you out and have a look in the van and just show you that in a few moments. But today's job, we are
Going to build. We're going to build a cabinet for the electrics.
That's right. So just somewhere to house all the fuse boxes, the wiring, the battery, the switches to turn all the lights on, and the fridge, of course. We're having the fridge, that's going to be put in the top of it. So we will start that now, shall we?
Yes.
We've cut the ply already. It's 12mm ply that we're using. It's sturdy enough to be nice and solid, but it's not like 18mm or bigger that weighs a ton. So it's quite sturdy stuff. Cut it all to size already, and we'll just show you how we're going to put it together now.
The comfort of our front room is we are going to be building the electric box, and we are going to be using these connecting blocks.
Okay, next one. Starting to realise that everything takes a little bit longer than what I expect it to. Moved out into the kitchen because it's so hot in the living room. We had an issue with the boiler. It was leaking carbon monoxide, which obviously isn't great. So we had that sorted out today, and the new boiler's been fitted, and the central heating, crikey bobs. I know it's because the boiler's turned right up or the radiator's turned right up, but it's so hot in the front room. So I've moved down to the kitchen, going to finish this box off, and then we will sort out where the electrics are going, and I'll show you. We're going to be putting a shelf inside here, so the fridge, which is behind me, that's going to sit on top and just poke out a little bit just so we can lift the lid up, and then under that is going to be where the batteries are, or the battery at the moment is going to be. It's going to power everything. I've left this open so we can get the wires in. This is going to be near enough against the wall of the van behind the driver's seat. Okay, I'm going to spin it around. Just do the bottom ones. This is the fridge that's going to be going in, and it's going to be poking out at the top there. So we're going to make a shelf halfway down that it sits on, and then we can get, because the lid opens up, it's not one of these ones with a drawer in, and it's going to lift up there. So we're going to make a little shelf now.
Can put little ices in.
Okay, so the battery voltage meter's been fitted, and the switches and power sockets. There's actually a cigarette lighter one there, and USBs there, which is good. So that's been put in, and then the fridge, which is there. I'm going to put the power socket for the fridge there. So in here now there's going to be a fuse box, bus bars, all the wiring, everything's going to be in there, and I'm going to put a lift up door here so I can have access to that. So overall I'm actually really happy with this, how it's turned out. I've left a hole in the back so I can get all the wires out, because the battery is going to go in here, so the wires will come. I might put a hole through here, and then the wires will come around the back, because this side here, this is where the backs of the seats are. So this is the bit from inside the van that you will see, and then as you enter into the side of the van, the control panel's there. So yeah, happy with that, looks great.
Okay, a little update of where we're up to. Finished off the battening, and we've also dropped down the wiring for the LED lights. We have just had this piece of plyboard up on the ceiling, just so I can mark out where the LED lights are going to go, which I've done. So now we're going to drill the holes, put the ply back up, and then we can drop the wires through the holes. Go. Stop. A bit more. A bit more. I'll do. Right. Pull the trigger. So just to cap off this week, finish the ceiling to a fashion. I say finished, we haven't finished, I've still got this bit to do, but the kids were getting rather eager to be a part of it, and it just made things so difficult. Fridge is in, hey! So yeah, next week it's gonna be a case of just finishing that ceiling, get the lights in, and then get the wiring all started and sorted, and see, hopefully it all works. But yeah, we'll soon find out, and yeah, look forward to that. That's the bit I've been most looking forward to. So yeah, signing off for today. See you next week.